Okay, so 0.96 can be rewritten as 96 over 100. And as you guys are paying attention, you're like, hey man, this is not lowest terms. Let me simplify it to 24 over 25. Next example, we have 0.6. That could be rewritten as 6 over 10, which also simplifies to another number, 3/5. Let me circle the answers here. And then 0.365, that as a fraction, 365 over 1,000, and that actually simplifies as well to another number. It's 73 over 200 as a simplified fraction. Important note, if you notice in 0.96, there's 2 digits to the right of the decimal, and so we put it over a 1 followed by 2 zeros. 2 digits to the right of the decimal, 1 followed by 2 zeros. Let's see if this holds. So if 0.6, that's 1 digit to the right of the decimal. So I'm thinking it's going to look like 6 over 1 followed by 1 zero. Oh my gosh, it works. Let's try it with 3 digits. We have 3 digits to the right of the decimal. So I imagine that would be 365 over 1 followed by, 3 digits to the right of the decimal, 1 followed by 3 zeros. Notice the pattern, guys. That's all math is, pattern recognition. If you have questions, put them in the comments. Happy to make another video to explain further. Good luck, guys.